In front of me is Motorola RAZR 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and hitting while using and allow in all available pop-ups. Then use this red button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same one. To end it and save it, click on the square one on the right. Then name it at the top and hit delete to get rid of it or save to continue. To play it, click on it. To manage it, use all of those options and those at the top right corner. By tapping on those three lines, you can access this little menu. And by tapping on this pen, you can edit it, for example trim it. Then hit save at the bottom right corner and decide if you wish to save it or save it as a copy. Now to get rid of one of your recordings from here, you can hold the chosen one and use bin icon at the top right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!